clouding on my senses.
Hello everyone, XenionShiah here. If you are new here, watch the video, and if you find it useful or interesting, like the video and consider maybe to subscribe. Thank you. As for my subscribers, at the end of the video I will explain why I took so much time off. Now let's begin. I don't know at what level of Instagram you are, so I will begin for the very low level, which leads us to tip number 1. Start posting. Really, you might be new to Instagram or old. Keep posting and practicing, experimenting. See what works and what doesn't, and see why it does. It was the hour you posted, some tags that you used, or maybe what you post was interesting. Now, tip number 2 is to research to see what competitors are doing and how they are doing it. Tip number 3 is about hashtags, because if you see someone with, let's say, 1 million followers and he uses big hashtags that another million used, he would get to the top probably. But you need actually to see what your niche is first and then search variations that is less popular. If you are a beginner, I advise to not use hashtags that are bigger than 100,000. So you might use 1 or 2 big just for the show. Number 4. Don't be an introvert on Instagram. Now what I mean by that? There are groups for any business on Facebook, Reddit and forums. Go search and expose yourself. Tell what you are doing and maybe receive also some feedback. Also, it feels good to receive likes and shares from others, right? Well, guess what? If you want to receive something, you first need to give. Usually, but not necessarily. But like a few posts on your niche. For example, if you are an artist, go to #draw. If you playing piano, search for piano players and so on. Go to recent, like a few, maybe even comment on some of them. But not like nice work, follow me, or follow for follow. No, usually want to spend a little time to see what you like it, why you like it, and then if you want to increase the chances for that person to see your profile, ask them to check your profile. But be careful not to go overboard, as spammers are not approved by Instagram policy. So, here are a few facts that I follow. Like less than 350 posts a day, comment or DM to new people no more than 10 of each, so you can send 10 DM and 10 comments on new posts each day. Now, as your channel grows, this number of course will change. Keep testing and see. Also, if you happen to pass that, Instagram will block that action for 3 days or sometimes even an hour if you are a bigger channel. Number 5. Show some love to stories and analytical. I'm not saying to spam with stories, but post a story once in a while. Show what you are interested in and keep the people coming back for you. Number 6 is to ask people to feature your channel or post you made. You can ask them and some will do it for free, others will charge you, or others they will have, let's say, they will feature you only if you have over 500 followers, for example. Now, number 7. Shoutout for shoutout. Share for share, how you wanted to say. While it's similar to being featured, I put this one separately because there are a lot of people who not know about this. Basically, each of you share a picture from one another on story, which lasts 24 hours. Now, how this would be good? Because people that follow the other person will saw your pic on his story, and if they are interested, they will go to your page. Cool, right? Number 8. Be active on your channel. Answer to as many comments that are written on your post. Number 9. Create a schedule when to post or use tools that will post for you. But more importantly, if you are here, keep doing it. I know it might seem hard to keep at this level, but keep going and start your business. Good luck. Good luck. Now for my subscribers, I want to thank you for still being here. It means a lot. It shows that you are a true fan, and I thank you for that. The reason I did not post for a while was because I had final exam at the university, the license, and had to focus while also working on my passion of writing and drawing. That my dream did not change. I still want to make a manga or a novel. If you are interested to see more content, go check my Instagram or my very fresh TikTok. Also, I will create 3 playlists on YouTube, because my channel will be split in 3 categories. And to be easier for you to see what you are looking for, go check the playlists.